So, hi everyone. OpenAI late night has released GPT 4.5, the latest model, and it is a surprise because just a few hours back they just tweeted one thing live streaming at 4.5 hours, and people estimated that GPT 4.5 is coming. More surprising is that this is not a state of the art model. As you can see in the metrics, it is performing quite poorly as compared to OpenAI O3 Mini. And that is that this is more of a review. I haven't used the model in person, but given the reviews, given the benchmark, it itself looks like it's a pretty off model. Like if you look at the GPQA science score, 71.4 OpenAI O3 Mini, we are not even talking about O3, is about 80. AIME 24, 36, 87 point. It's just not a match only. Same goes with SW Bench Verified and Lancer Diamond. The scores are low. MMLU it's 85.1 compared to 81.1. So I think there is a slight improvement, but still, looking at the science and mathematical capabilities of the model, it is looking completely off. And I think OpenAI is also not promoting it as a technical model, but more of a humane model. So they are saying that it is one of the most thoughtful, the model with most human emotions. Okay, this is fine, but I don't think that this particular USP would sell out for GPT-4. So let's deep dive into GPT 4.5. Let's figure out other reviews as well and compare it with our latest hero Claude 3.7 as well. So OpenAI GPT 4.5 is bad, unfortunately, and I think that you should not be paying for it. This is something that I would suggest personally. I'm not at all impressed. Benchmarks are poor, the performance is poor, user reviews are just shit, and this is looking to be more of a desperate attempt to stay relevant in the market. So I will be giving you a few examples why you should not pay for it. It has below par benchmark performance, as we just now saw. It is lagging in major specific domains. I think science and maths, we just now saw that OpenAI GPT 4.5 in itself is not able to beat out O3. What you will compare with other models, not a frontier model. I think the team is also not promoting it as like that. But if it is not a frontier model, I don't think why this was released also. Very disappointed. Talking about user reviews, I think I have been a very active Redditor, and I have been really moved by the Reddit. If something bad comes out, I think Reddit will take care of that. So I think one of the key feedbacks that I received around GPT 4.5 was like lack of innovation. It's more like they are just trying to give you the same old car with a new coat of painting. Someone used this particular line. I really liked it. Not just that, it has a very high cost. I don't know why, making it about 3000 times more expensive for input and 1300 times for output compared to GPT 4o. I don't make sense why would someone pay such a high cost for such a average looking model. Focus on non-essential aspects. So as Sam Altman is promoting it as a thoughtful model, more humane model, it excels in areas like vibes, EQ, conversational tones. Okay, I got it, but I think I won't be willing to pay this much amount, 3000 more amount, 3000% more amount to get a better vibe from the model. I'm not sure. What about you? Now, comparing it, Claude 3.7 Sonnet versus GPT 4.0. Claude 3.7 Sonnet is the king right now. I would say the metrics, the reviews are just crazy enough. It has outperformed GPT 4.0 with a huge margin on coding and reasoning tasks. As they say, GPT 4.5 is better on emotional intelligence and natural conversations. Cost, GPT 4.5 is very, very expensive as compared to Claude 3.5 Sonnet. So if you have some money, better invest in Claude 3.7 Sonnet, I would suggest. And in terms of user interaction, GPT 4.5, as mentioned, is more human like but very high cost and very limited access also. 3.7 is more cost effective and has very strong performance in technical tasks. So I would say any day, if you want to automate some stuff, go for Claude 3.5 Sonnet. And if you wish to have human like interactions, I would suggest you to talk to humans. Thank you so much. I think this is just looking like an hype for me. They just want to release something, and that is why it is released. I would strongly suggest don't pay for it. If you have money, go for Claude 3.7 Sonnet. Thank you so much.